In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your AirDrop on your Mac. So with Mac and Apple products, there's something called AirDrop where you can drop things to your phone or from your phone to your computer. So that's probably one of the biggest benefits I think. One of the more undervalued things that Apple has is being able just to AirDrop something. So to go ahead and turn that on, all you have to do is take your cursor and go up to the right corner here and go to these little switches here, and you're going to have some things here. What you want to do is look for your AirDrop and simply just turn that on, and you can toggle that switch on, and now it's on. You can also specify this if you just want it to be for your contacts or for everyone in general, and then we can click out of that, and you can go check it, and now my AirDrop is on. So now my AirDrop will work if I want to take something from my computer to my phone or from my phone to the computer. So that's it. That's how you AirDrop, and that's how you turn it on. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.